Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, Elijah Obebo, my Speaker, Dr. Nyanumba, my colleague, the Leader of Majority, and all my colleagues who are here from the County Assembly and your entire government. My name is Dennis Ombachi. I'm elected from Maran Ward, which is in Kitutu Chache North. Your Excellency, I want to say that when I was elected in 2013, I was the first chairman of the Budget and Appropriation Committee. In that committee, I happened to sit with Honorable Gugu and other members present here. Your Excellency, we had projected 800 million to do the county headquarters. As the first budget committee, we reduced it to about 300 million, and it wasn't seen to be sufficient. So eventually, it wasn't done. I want to congratulate you that you have now started this project, and it's going to cost much less than what we had proposed, because now it's going to cost 500 million. As a member of the budget committee, I know. And Your Excellency, I've seen the drawing. We have gone round. It's a magnificent drawing, and the contractor assured you in our presence that it will be done in time. Within 2 years, it will be done. That means by 2026, we'll come here to celebrate the opening. So for me, as the leader of minority, that timeline is what I'm going to follow. I'll make sure I raise the issues until it's done, and it's done well. Thank you, Your Excellency. The second issue, Your Excellency, I want to raise is that once you finish with the headquarters, it's also good that you go to the sub-county headquarters so that you can institute such similar good projects so that the county government of Kisii is in every part, from Nyamache to Ogembo to Nyamarambe up to Marani, so that when you come to Marani, for example, Your Excellency, you have your office there and you feel at home. That way, devolution will be seen to have taken root. Thirdly, Your Excellency, I also want to ask, the budget of 500 million, it will be good, I know it's far, but it will be good and prudent that at least we have 1 or 2 people given a chance to work from each ward. Those will be about 90 people, Your Excellency. So the contractor should be given instructions to say that every ward should have somebody working this project. This is a cake for all of us, Your Excellency, and we should test it. For me, I'm ready. I can bring you have a lot of Salemara. Now, Your Excellency, I realized you in Salemara, uliweka ile kichiko vizuri sana. Maybe I need to come and learn from you. Sikuona the deputy governor anajua hiyo vizuri, lakini wewe uliweka kichiko inakaa, ulifundishwa hiyo vizuri. Lastly, Your Excellency, as the House, whenever you bring projects for passing of the budget, we look at them diligently and we pass. And I want to say, one of the greatest benefit, tunasema mugala muwe na haki mpe. We are now running a budget that is not a deficit in Kisii County. It means we have money. Any project that is budgeted for Your Excellency will be complete and be paid. The only thing I want to support on Arewondari is that we need to expedite the process of procurement and be able to prosecute the projects. Once that's done, Your Excellency, we are good to go, especially this budget that is 2024-2025. If it's implemented, Kisii County will change. And as a house, we are going to support you. And where we find the issues, we'll bring them out and we'll be able to solve them amicably. Thank you on behalf of the minority side who are present here. And I want to ask the members of the minority to stand like this and salute you in the house. It's good that I recognize that we are here from the house. We came when we are invited. And I heard the leader of majority saying, Your Excellency, your protocol team, when you have a function, let them tell us in time so that we are able to organize and come. We always want to come and support you. Thank you, Your Excellency.